A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Unlike routine operations, which are ongoing and repetitive, projects are characterized by their distinct purpose and structure. One of the defining features of a project is its clearly defined objectives. These objectives outline specific goals or deliverables that must be achieved within a predetermined time frame, ensuring that all efforts are directed toward measurable outcomes. This clarity of purpose sets the foundation for effective planning and execution, as every activity is aligned with achieving these targeted results. Another key characteristic of a project is its temporary nature. Projects are not indefinite. They have a defined beginning and end. This temporary aspect distinguishes them from operational activities, which are continuous and cyclical. A project concludes once its objectives are met, or when it becomes evident that the goals are unattainable or no longer relevant. This finite duration emphasizes the importance of time management and resource allocation, as all tasks must be completed within the established time frame to achieve success. Moreover, projects are inherently unique. Each project delivers a specific output that sets it apart from others, whether it is a product, service, or result. These deliverables are tailored to address particular needs or solve specific problems, making them distinct from standardized or repetitive processes. This uniqueness often requires innovative approaches, customized solutions, and a high degree of adaptability to navigate challenges and uncertainties. Together, these characteristics, defined objectives, temporary nature, and unique deliverables form the foundation of what makes a project a structured yet dynamic endeavor.